It's a whole process.
I'm just giving you a hard time. This is really sweet.
Who ordered the rain?
This is quite the car.
Thank you. Yeah. And the steering wheel's like tiki, right? All right, the Carver Hangar Friday breakfast. Super quick walk around. Got the Chevy trucks, Corvettes, cool old Fords. There's one down here on the end. Let's check it out. Oh, very nice. Fairlane Sports Coupe. Look at the body lines, or the gaps in that thing. That's done right. Sitting here in the rain, Krager's and knockoffs. I don't know if I've ever seen a sports coupe before. Beautiful white interior, and look at that. It is a stick car. So that makes it 15 times better. Beautiful. Oh, and there it is, 64. And it's a high performance. Very nice. Another one I've seen here before, and this thing is really cool. I think I've actually got it on video before. LaSalle. Check it out. He drives this thing, and I believe it's pretty recent that he's gotten this running. You don't see a LaSalle every day. Not a lot of LaSalles at the cruise in usually. Pretty cool. Got the Mustang and Corvette contingent in the back 40. It's a little bit rainy. We're heading into winter, and so the turnout's a little lighter, but pretty cool. These guys come out here every Friday. Literally every Friday there's at least, well, there's a handful of classic cars in the lot. Today's no different, even though it's rainy. Even getting rain on the old race car. And check this Chevy pickup out. Step side, beautiful orange. It's got the oak treatment in the bed, pinstriped, straight as a pin. Nice truck.